पण आपण बघत असाल प्रत्येक शहरात एक ड्रिल होत असतं प्रत्येक महिन्यात. ते तर आपण हल्ली शाळेमध्ये शिकवतो, ते शिकवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहोत. पण बिल्डिंगमध्ये फायर रेफ्युज एरिया असतील किंवा फायर हायड्रंट सिस्टम असेल, ती महत्त्वाची आणि आज ती ठरली इथे, कारण ही लोकं वाचू शकली आणि आपण इतर लोकांना वाचू शकलो.
आगीचं कारण समजू शकलंय का?
अजून नाही.
You have visited this site. Kishori ma'am told us that there was some repair work which was going on, and if you can please elaborate.
So what has come to light, of course, is basically not all flats were occupied. There were about 100 flats which are not occupied. There is work going on in some of the flats, but that is usual for most of the buildings. Why the fire started is a matter of investigation. I believe that the fire brigade will come out with it. Before pointing fingers, I would only like to highlight the importance of today. In a high-rise building like this, typically the fire refuge areas, fire hydrant systems within the building, sprinkler systems are extremely important. Even here, initially, the fire brigade said that the sprinkler system was a little weak, but it caught on pressure later. How it caught on, that is a question of again what the fire brigade will look into and why the pressure was weak. But reiterating the fact that we need fire drills constantly, we need awareness of this, and in such high-rise buildings across the planet as it is, in our city as well, we're looking at the importance of fire refuge area today, which is why most of the lives were saved. There was only one unfortunate death.
The fire department's inquiry report is
I think
going
it will
to
be soon.
now.
It will be very soon. They're looking
Is there a
into
deadline?
it.
Have you set any
No, we
deadline?
can't put pressure, but they are looking into it. They are efficient and they will get it very soon.
So fire department has claimed, Aditya, fire department has claimed that they are expected to order.
तुम्ही कायदेशीर कारवाई
मला वाटतं एक मिनिट ह्याच्यात थोडं आपल्या सगळ्यांचंच म्हणजे मला समजू शकतो आपलं जे काही झालं, पण काय होतं अशा ठिकाणी आम्ही पण थोडं मागून येतो, कारण काय असतं जेव्हा पोलीस असतात किंवा फायर ब्रिगेड असतात त्या गडबडीच्या वातावरणात आम्ही पण थोडं मागे राहतो, कारण तिथे थोडी धांदल उडू शकते. त्यांच्या वतीने मी तुमची माफी मागतो, पण थोडं समजून घेणं गरजेचं आहे, कारण ह्या घटना खूप महत्त्वाच्या असतात. आपल्यातून कोणी हात अडकलं, जसं आत्ता ते मगाशी जे वॉचमॅन बिचारे वरतून खालती पडले ते देखील कोणातरी वाचवायला गेले आणि मग ते झाले. तर असं कोणाबरोबर दुर्दैवी घटना होऊ नये म्हणून कधी कधी पोलिसांना, फायर ब्रिगेडना, वॉचमॅनना कठोर पावलं उचलायला लागतात. मी आपली माफी मागतो, पण म्हणूनच आम्ही थोडं लेट येतो.
दुसऱ्यांदा ही आग लागली आहे. प्रभादेवीमध्ये पण अशी हायराज इमारतीला आग लागली होती. अशा घटनांवर
नाही, ह्याच्यावर आपण बघतोय की नियंत्रण थोडं आपण आणतो, पण आग जेव्हा लागते ती नंतर आपल्याला कळतं कधी शॉर्ट सर्किट असतं, कधी कोणाची छोटी मोठी चूक असते. पण हे करत असताना इतरांना सावरून घेणं, त्याच्यातून इतरांना वाचवणं आणि फायर प्रूफ सिस्टम किंवा फायर हायड्रंट सिस्टम असेल, स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम असेल, ह्याच्यावर आपण भर देणं गरजेचं आहे. कारण उंच इमारती जेव्हा होतात आणि आपण बघत असाल
We need to put on the fire hydrants at several places because for security, for safety of high rises, it is important for having fire refuge areas and fire hydrants at all the appropriate places.
Aditya Thackeray there speaking about this fire that took place, which was essentially a level 4 major fire, which was reported from South Mumbai's One Viga Park, which is a luxury residential building around noon, after which 14 fire engines were rushed to the spot. A 30-year-old man was seen to be holding from a balcony ledge in a desperate attempt to save his life, but there he lost his grip and fell to his death. We saw Aditya Thackeray there at the spot. Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednikar was also present at the spot. Let me go straight to Vinaya Deshpande. Vinaya, the question is about fire safety measures. Were they in place or was it missing?
Well, as of now, there's no clarity, though Aditya Thackeray has clearly mentioned right now that it was extremely important to have fire refuge areas and fire hydrants in place in order to make sure that people can be safe. And this is exactly what he said, that it was because of fire refuge areas that a large number of people could be saved in those fires. 100 flats unoccupied, several people were rescued to safety. The person who unfortunately lost his life was the security guard who was trying to climb up in order to save those who were stuck in that fire. He fell to his death after he could not successfully climb on to the area which was worst affected due to fire. So right now, though the reason of the fire is not yet known, an inquiry has already been ordered by the BMC chief Iqbal Singh Chahal. What we are getting to know is that apart from the one unfortunate casualty, everybody else has been moved to safety and cooling operations are on. Fire is under control at Avigna Park in Mumbai, in central Mumbai, where hundreds of people were rescued to safety.
Yes, so the fire, in fact, broke on the 19th floor and then it spread to other floors. Let me go straight to Shilpa Ratnam, who's joining me live from the Avigna Park, which is the site of this fire that broke out early today. The question is, the residents may have moved out. What caused the fire is something that has to be found out.
Well, yes, indeed. And Aditya Thackeray, as he mentioned, said, fires can start for any reason. Could be a short circuit as well. But it's important that high rises like these have the fire safety measures in place. And this building did, in fact, have the measures in place. But unfortunately, there were some small, technicalities, such as the fact that the sprinkler system wasn't working. There wasn't enough pressure, for instance. And he said, so we'll have to look into those, and we'll have to have regular fire drills so that these kind of lapses can be avoided, and lives don't have to be lost in the process. Well, the one good thing is this building has about 100 flats that are empty, which is the same state for most of the skyscrapers in this area because of the extremely high price and the lowering of the supply and demand of these flats. Similarly, in this building, there were only a few residents, and about 26 of them were successfully rescued. Unfortunately, one did lose his life. He jumped from the 19th floor, and we've all seen those harrowing visuals of him hanging on for his life for 10 minutes. There was one death in this entire incident, in this fire incident, and now Aditya Thackeray has said that what is the need of the day are regular fire safety drills, and that is something that he wants to look into. Back to you.
Yes, so what are the fire safety drills that will be in place, and are a number of buildings that have been identified that need such safety measures, and will that be ensured in the coming few weeks and months? That is the larger question, of course. But the unfortunate death of is that he was identified, in fact, as a security guard. He was hoping that he will be saved if he moves out of that apartment, but unfortunately he fell to his death. Aditya Thackeray there promising action, Kishori Pednikar also saying the same, but the larger question remains about why Mumbai, maximum city, which should have all the provisions for its residents, increasingly witnessing a number of these fire incidents. Shilpa and Vinaya, thank you so much for joining us. Shifting focus to another story now, and this is, of course, in the realm of politics. A fresh row has broken out